The mind and entanglement in the many-worlds interpretation, a controversial nexus. In the many-worlds interpretation, MWI, of quantum mechanics, the process of measurement is understood as a universal entanglement between the quantum system, the measuring device, and the observer. Here's how this works and the role of the observer's mind. 1. Entanglement in the many-worlds interpretation. In the MWI, when a quantum system is measured, it doesn't collapse into a single state. Instead, the system, the measuring device, and the observer all become entangled. For example, in the double-slit experiment with a detector, the quantum particle, e.g., an electron, becomes entangled with the detector. The detector's state becomes entangled with the observer, who perceives a specific outcome. This entanglement results in a branching of the universe, one branch for each possible outcome of the measurement. 2. Does the observer's mind get involved? Yes, but not in the mystical sense of consciousness causing reality. In MWI, the observer's mind or consciousness is just another physical system that becomes part of the entanglement. Here's how. The observer's brain processes the information from the measuring device. The observer's neural states, representing their perception of the measurement result, also become entangled with the quantum system and the device. As a result, the observer perceives only one outcome in their branch of the universe. However, in another branch, a different version of the observer perceives a different outcome. 3. Mind and consciousness in MWI. MWI does not require the observer's mind or consciousness to play any special role beyond being a physical system subject to the same rules of quantum mechanics as everything else. The observer's perception of a specific outcome is simply a result of their existence in a particular branch of the universe after the measurement. There is no need for collapse or the intervention of consciousness to create reality. Instead, all possible outcomes coexist in separate branches of the multiverse. 4. Measuring device and observer. Both the measuring device and the observer are part of the entanglement process. The measuring device records the result of the interaction with the quantum system. The observer interacts with the measuring device, becoming entangled with it and the quantum system. This leads to the perception of a single outcome, but in reality, according to MWI, all outcomes exist in parallel branches. Summary. In MWI, both the measuring device and the observer, including their mind, become entangled with the quantum system during a measurement. The mind is treated as a physical system, with no special role for consciousness in causing branching. Each branch of the multiverse contains a version of the observer who perceives a specific outcome, but all branches exist simultaneously. The mind's involvement in MWI is purely physical, tied to the brain's entanglement with the measurement process. This interpretation avoids invoking subjective consciousness as a fundamental element of quantum mechanics.